Some relief for overworked and desperate staff at Ontario's long-term care facilities. The Canadian military was deployed to the hardest-hit homes in the GTA today. But as the death toll continues to climb in unprecedented ways, some devastated family members say it is too little, too late. With a stunning 75% of the province's reported deaths at long-term care homes, medical personnel from the Canadian Forces have arrived at the epicenter of the crisis. Deployed to 5 homes in the GTA, our cameras were rolling as they arrived at Eatonville in Etobicoke, Hawthorne in North York, and Altamont Care Community in Scarborough.
For the residents that are there, it's way too late, I'm sure.
Michelle O'Reilly and her sister Susan lost their father Robert O'Reilly 10 days ago. He was a resident at Altamont and died just 6 days after he was diagnosed.
We were relying on other people to take care of him, and they just didn't.
They didn't even have a chance to say goodbye before his condition worsened.
We just, promised him that as soon as we could, we'd be running up there to visit him again.
Altamont ranks among the top 5 deadliest outbreaks in the GTA, along with Eatonville and Seven Oaks in Scarborough. Family members describe the 85-year-old as an amazing father who will be forever missed, and they say more should have been done sooner to protect him. The province has put in place an action plan to support the vulnerable facilities, but the Premier has been vocal in his disappointment about what's happened at the homes.
We have to do a better job, and at the end of the day, the buck stops with me.
In the meantime, 2 sisters, now without their father, recall their final conversations with him, a call over Zoom.
Yeah, I'll remember it always. It was just a day or two before, and we just told him that we loved him and that he had to be strong and keep eating, and he just had a fever, a slow fever, and that we loved him and we missed him, and that we would see him, when this was all over, and that, just be strong.
The one thing I can never forgive is that we had to let him die alone after everything we'd been through with him. I'll never forgive them for that.
Altamont Care Community tells us in a statement that their team is making every effort to communicate as often as possible with families about the health status of their loved one and the protocols in place. They add their team and healthcare partners are making extraordinary efforts to fight the virus, and they are confident that they will overcome this challenge by working together. For City News, I'm Tina Yazdani.